Around the Shop, January 2019. Welcome back and Happy New Year. On this visit, we'll have a look at our very busy body shop, as well as some classic car mechanical goodness going on. Let's start with this 1955 Chevrolet Corvette. We will be doing a complete restoration on this very special car. We started with disassembly, then hours and hours of preparation. Here we see the hood, trunk, and doors in the paint booth after getting primed with gel coat. This is an often missed step in Corvette fiberglass repair. After the gel coat, a special coating called PVA is applied to lock out oxygen to ensure that the gel coat cures perfectly. See how it simply washes off after its job is done. Now our experts are perfecting the bodywork with FiberTech, a carbon fiber reinforced fiberglass repair product, to get the car to that Farland Classic Restoration National Award-winning standard. Next, it's over to a mechanical bay where we are repairing the factory steering pump on this 1964 Rolls-Royce Cloud 3. Our shop owner Jack Farland drove this car to a benefit and still raves about how amazingly well it drives. This car is available in our showroom and is ready to roll for a happy new owner. Our expert Ferrari mechanic Steve is in the process of rebuilding Ferrari's iconic 250 engine. Trust us when we tell you that a car of this caliber needs a world-class mechanic. On a seven-figure car, the engine is no place to skimp on quality. Steve is just one of a handful of people who have the decades of experience to overhaul a Ferrari V12. Back in the body shop, we're working on a Mercedes-Benz 190 SL that had a rear-end collision. We've replaced a portion of sheet metal and are now fine-tuning the fit of the trunk and making the repair completely seamless. Here we are in the paint booth after expert prep. Now, finally, it's looking brand new and is ready for assembly. Well, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and remember you can subscribe by clicking here, visit our website here, watch another video here, and always remember to give our video a thumbs up down below. Thanks, and see you next time. Remember, you can always call the shop at 303-761-1245 with your project.